Hello friends, in this video we have three math problems. Here is question number 1. 20 raised to x plus 16 raised to x is equal to 25 raised to x. In the first step we will divide with 16 raised to x both the sides. So these two will be eliminated. Now we have 20 raised to x over 16 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 25 raised to x over 16 raised to x. Now 20 can be written as 4 times 5 whole raised to x over 16 is 4 square. So we can write 4 square whole raised to x plus 1 is equal to 25 is 5 square whole raised to x over 4 square whole raised to x. Now as per the rule, when we have a raised to b whole raised to c, then it can be a raised to b times c and a raised to c whole raised to b. In this manner, this and this part can be written as 4 raised to x times 5 raised to x over 4 raised to x whole square plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to x whole square over 4 raised to x whole square. Now here we can write 4 raised to x times 4 raised to x plus 1. So these two will be eliminated. Now we have 5 raised to x over 4 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to x whole square over 4 raised to x whole square. Now these two have same exponent and these two have same exponent. So we can combine them. So it will be 5 over 4 whole raised to x plus 1 is equal to 5 over 4 whole raised to x whole square. Now we will take k in place of 5 over 4 whole raised to x. So it will be k plus 1 is equal to k square. If we move this k and 1 to right hand side, it will be k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Let's use standard quadratic formula to find out k. K is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Let's put this value in the formula. So it will be so here we have k is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 over 2. So it will be k is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. So we have k is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 and k is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now k was taken for 5 over 4 whole raised to x. Now we will not use this value because the result will be negative and it will lead us to imaginary result. So we will follow this path, and from here we will take log. So we have log of 5 over 4 whole raised to x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So it will be x times log of 5 over 4 is equal to, we can simply move this to right hand side. So it will be x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 over log of 5 over 4. And this is our answer. Now question number 2. So our question is 27 raised to x plus 3 raised to x is equal to 68. 27 is 3 cube. Now when we have a raised to b whole raised to c, then it can be a raised to c whole raised to b. So this part can be written as 3 raised to x whole cube plus 3 raised to x is equal to 68. Now let's take k in place of 3 raised to x. So here we have 3 raised to x cube, so it will be k cube plus k is equal to 68. Now let's move this 68 to left hand side. The equation will be k cube plus k minus 68 is equal to 0. Now negative 68 can be written as negative 64, negative 4, right? Now let's rearrange this equation. So it will be k cube minus 64 plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. 64 is 4 cube. So we can write k cube minus 4 cube. Now for this part, let's recall an identity which says if we have a cube minus b cube, then it can be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this part can be written as k minus 4 times k square plus 4k plus 4 square. And here we have k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here we can factor out k minus 4. So it will be k minus 4 times k square plus 4k plus 4 square is 16, and here we have 1, so we have plus 1 is equal to 0. So the equation will be k minus 4 times k square plus 4k plus 17 is equal to 0. Now from here we can equate k minus 4 is equal to 0 and k square plus 4k plus 17 is equal to 0. So here we have k is equal to 4 and k was taken for 3 raised to x. So we have 3 raised to x is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 1. And here we have quadratic equation and we need to use standard quadratic equation, which is am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, where m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now here in our case we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and C is equal to 17 and M is K. So let's put this value. So we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of B square is 4 square minus 4, A is 1 and C is 17 over 2 times A is 1. So we have K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square is 16 minus 68 over 2. So K is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 52 over 2. The discriminant here is negative. So there are no real roots of this equation. And we will continue with result 1, which is 3 raised to x is equal to 4. From here we need to take a log. Log of 3 raised to x is equal to log of 4. Now this x can be a factor because if we have log of a raised to b, then it can be b times log of a. So this part can be written as x times log of 3 is equal to log of 4. Now we will divide with log of 3 both the sides. So these two get cancelled out. So we have x is equal to log of 4 over log of 3. Now let's recall a rule where log of a over log of b, then it can be log of a base b. So this part can be written as x is equal to log of 4 base 3, and this is our answer. And here is question number 3. Square root of 27 square root of 3 square root 3 is equal to 27 raised to x. In the first step we will square both sides. So this square and square root get cancelled out, is equal to, now let's recall a rule where a raised to b whole raised to c, then it can be a raised to b times c. So in this manner we can multiply these two, so it will be 27 raised to 2x. Now we will divide with 27 both sides, so these two will be eliminated. So we have square root 3 is equal to, on right hand side here 1 is default exponent, and we have to refer a rule where a raised to b over a raised to c, then it can be a raised to b minus c. So here we can write it like 27 raised to 2x minus 1. We will square both sides. So this square and square root will be eliminated. So we have 3 times square root 3 is equal to, we can multiply this 2, so it will be 27 raised to 2 times 2x minus 1. Again we will square both sides. So this square is belongs to these 3. So it will be 3 square times and square root get cancelled out. So we have 3 and we can multiply this 2. So it will be 27 raised to 4 times 2x minus 1. This is 3 cube and 3 cube is 27. So we can write 27 is equal to 27 raised to 4 times 2x minus 1. 1 is default exponent. Now we have same base both the side, so we can equate their exponent. So it will be 4 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Let's open this bracket. So it will be 8x minus 4 is equal to 1. If we add 4 both sides, so these two get cancelled out. Now we have 8x is equal to 5. If we divide with 8 both sides, these two get cancelled out. So we have x is equal to 5 over 8. And this is our answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.